Are you interested in learning how to make money online? With Flores Online Explains, you can start making money online in 2022. I'll demonstrate how you can make $200 a day by writing transcriptions. I'll demonstrate in detail how to write music transcriptions in order to earn money online. While writing the transcription and enjoying music, you can quickly earn money. One of the best ways to generate money online is through this. One of the simple ways to earn $200 a day is to listen and write for a living. Welcome to Flores Online Explains. Subscribe to my channel for information, explanations, and tips to make money online. Don't forget to press the like button and the notification bell. Now let's get into the video. I'm going to be showing you a few websites and platforms where you can make money just by listening to and transcribing music and audio files. Stay till the end of the video. The last platform is my favorite as it pays significantly higher. The first website where you can make money from listening to music is Revcom. Basically, Revcom is a website or platform that lets you translate speech into text. Customers are connected with freelancers who claim the project and execute it in order to make money within a set amount of time using online transcription and captions. Forbes rated Rev.com as one of the best work-from-home options for self-employed people or freelancers. With Rev.com, you can join as a freelancer to earn money by working on Rev's customers' projects. To put it simply, users of Rev who require transcription and captioning services for their audio and video files must upload and submit their media to the Rev platform. And now freelancers can access these uploaded audio or video files. These files are accessible to you as a freelancer or reverser, and you can also choose to claim the work. To be paid, you can listen, caption, or transcribe the content. You can also register to interpret subtitles for about $1.50 to $3 for every audio or video minute if you are fluent in other languages. To get started, you'll need to apply online. Expect to work on the application for at least an hour. Once you've signed up to be a freelancer, here's what you are to do next. You'll be required to complete a quiz to test your prowess in English language and grammar. After that, you'll need to send in a sample transcription or caption, which will be checked to see if it satisfies the standards for customer quality. If you're accepted, you can register and begin making money right away. If you apply to be a captioner, you should receive approval the following day. You will be able to see the claimable projects that are accessible in the workspace once you've registered and logged in. You have an hour after claiming a project to determine whether you want to unclaim it without incurring any penalties. You'll be able to see the money for that project right away in your earnings tab once you finish the project and click submit. Your work will then be reviewed and graded by a member of Rev's quality control team. Regardless of the grade, you'll get a PayPal deposit with your money the following Monday. How much can you make on Rev? Rev estimates that freelancers might make between $30 and $750 per month. As a transcriptionist or captioner at Rev, you can expect to make between 30 cents and $1.1 every audio-video minute depending on the position you apply for and the projects you claim. The length of an audio or video minute will, however, vary according to the project's complexity and your typing pace. I believe that each minute of audio or video will take you between 3 and 5 minutes to transcribe or caption. Therefore, you can expect to spend up to 20 minutes working on a job that's 5 minutes long. You can make about $16 in 2 hours of work. The next website where you can make money from listening to music is GoTranscript.com. GoTranscript is an online service that provides consumers and company owners with the ability to convert audio and video content into text. Ever thought a video or audio recording would be more helpful if it were on a PDF document? Well, GoTranscript performs precisely that. For individuals who require anything to be translated from another language into English, they even provide translation services. You can use GoTranscript directly as a customer, or you can apply to work there as an employee and set your own hours while picking the transcribing projects you want to do in your leisure time. Not just anyone can become a transcriber. To get accepted, you must meet a number of requirements. For everyone with typing and online expertise, the requirements are rather general. You must be able to write 60+ words per minute on a keyboard and pass a 12-question test proving you are familiar with the fundamental grammar rules of transcription in order to be accepted as a transcriber with GoTranscript. Now, how can you make money on GoTranscript? It's pretty simple, really. Customers of GoTranscript frequently request to have specific jobs transcribed. Then, all of their authorized transcribers receive postings of these tasks for review. If you're a transcriber, you get to pick and choose which jobs you wish to perform or not perform. And you can choose your own schedule and working hours thanks to this. You have a deadline for doing the task, and you will have to do so while adhering to required transcribing standards. Then you get paid on a $1 per minute basis for finishing the task. The average transcriber makes $0.60 per minute, or roughly $36 per hour. Not bad for being familiar with a keyboard. Aside from being able to work from home, there are a few nice things about working from home as a transcriber with GoTranscript. First of all, anyone who can write on a keyboard quickly can turn that simple skill into a money-making machine. You get to set your own schedule and even decide which jobs you want to take on and which ones you don't. There are no bothersome supervisors forcing you to perform forced tasks. It's a terrific opportunity to start earning additional cash to pay down credit cards you've had for a while. Put money up for a summer vacation with the family, or even just for retirement. Also, you can enjoy the music and audio files while working. There are advantages to working from home, but keep in mind that those advantages apply to any work-from-home position in general, not just GoTranscript. Again, the key is selecting the best tactic, and the possibilities are endless. To be able to earn more on these platforms, you can help translate songs from one language to another. Even if you don't understand another language apart from English, it is still possible to do this. You can do this with a website called DeepL.com. DeepL.com is a website that can help you translate one language to another. And the good news is that it is completely free to use. All you need to do is to go to any of these websites and download the song you want to transcribe. Then input the lyrics in English in the English part on the DeepL website. Then pick the language you want to translate it to, and it will automatically translate for you. What do you think about this method of making money? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope that you've learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Continue learning about NFT, crypto, and the stock market. I'll see you in the next one.